Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Park the 2013 Ford Escape on level ground and set the parking brake. This keeps the vehicle stable while you work. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 1 minute to avoid electrical shorts and accidental bulb activation. Gather tools: a 10 mm socket, flathead screwdriver, gloves, and a replacement 3157A dual filament brake/turn bulb. This prep usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes and reduces risk while giving you clear access to the tail lamp assembly and wiring harness. Open the liftgate and locate the two 10 mm nuts inside the cargo trim that secure the tail lamp assembly. Remove both nuts and set them aside in a magnetic tray or small container. Grasp the tail lamp housing and pull it straight outward with steady pressure. Do not twist or force it, or you risk breaking the plastic tabs. Reach behind the housing, press the wiring harness tab, and pull the connector straight back to disconnect it from the assembly. Rotate the bulb socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the tail lamp housing and pull it out. Remove the old 3157A bulb by pulling it straight from the socket. Wear gloves to avoid oils on the glass. Insert the new 3157A bulb into the socket, ensuring it seats fully, then twist the socket clockwise to lock it. Reconnect the wiring harness, reconnect the negative battery terminal, and have a helper.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.